Hey lovelies, so today on the masterclass for enhancing edits, today we're going to be going over how to use multiple textures, PSDs and things like that on your edits. So basically, there's no right or wrong way to this at all. You might find that having too many textures may make it worse and having too many PSDs may make it worse, but sometimes it's nice to merge and have that ability that you know you can merge as well. So I've got an image that I want to use already. I'm trying to copy text over apparently. So I'm going to be using a picture of Chloe Bennett. Scale this and obviously do what you normally do with an extra edit. For the purpose of this, I'm actually going to cut her out. Like so. I'm using the Quick Object tool, which is on Photoshop 2020 and above. But obviously you can use Quick Selection or the Lasso tool. I'm going to mask it. I'm pretty much happy with that. I'll mod it out in a minute. And then we're going to go over to textures. So obviously there's loads of textures you can use. I tend to use quite a lot of them as well. And this is where it starts to like really pick up and you can put loads in. So let's get a texture that we like. Let's go for this one. Drag it over. Don't remove it. Don't erase it. Drag it underneath. Get your second one that you want. In this case, I'm just going to find one, not that one, one from Keatbug maybe, if he's got any dark one, if there's any dark ones I like. So we've got blue, we can merge it, we can colour enhance, it's not an issue. Let's go with that one. So as you can see, I've got two textures already. So basically by merging them, what you're going to do is obviously use these effects, which can make a difference and might not. It really depends on how you play around with it, to be fair. So obviously you can see that makes it darker, we can go lighter, we can go exclusion as well, that's quite nice. We can't even do exclusion this round. I was actually going to say subtract because that looks quite cool. You can play around with obviously inverts as well. And then obviously if you want to change the colour of this, so obviously I'm going to go remove Chloe for the moment and click merge. Then go to colour balance. We can warm this up a bit. Like so. And then essentially no different than when you would do your own edits. You can obviously add your borders on if you want them. I am going to get my brush back. Wrong way. That way. Just bring some of her hair back. Because it did look a bit messy. Like there was parts chopped off, you could clearly see that. There we go, just fixing things back up, and then obviously we can remove things that we don't want as well. Once you're happy, then obviously you can flatten. I'm going to remove the black bit. Actually, we can keep it for now, but if I generally remove the black bit, you can add on your topazes or your whatever you're going to add on to it. I'm going to use topaz. Click OK. Do you know what? Let's back out of that minute. I'm actually going to change her because she's quite light. So I'm going to apply that mask, adjust her darkness or brightness and darkness, then click visible, then click topaz, then let's find a PSD. Because it's quite green, I'm going to go with a green PSD first of all. And then because that's a bit too dark, we can then add another PSD on top. I would try to get contrasting PSDs if you can, because it does make a difference. This is where you can then play around with colours and layers, and that is what I meant in the first place, and not colours. Actually, get rid of that. Don't need it. Don't like it. Don't need it. But there you go. That is 2 PSDs essentially on here. We can even go with a third, to be fair. Like this one, which is just like a texture based one. If we wanted to do that effect, or we could put that underneath. Like so. So you could, like I say, you can add another one there. You can obviously move it back to wherever you think it looks better. I think it looks better between two. That one or that one. I'd say that one. And yeah, that's pretty much multiple textures and multiple things. To be fair, we could even go a step further. Editing. Let's put one of my halos on. Let's go with that one actually. Like so. And you can even like halo it or put to be fair, I'm not liking the halo at the moment. Have a dark halo. That looks pretty cool. And then like if you even wanted to, you could then add like flower crowns or whatever, basically anything you really want. These ones are pretty cool actually. We could have like that one instead of the other one. Like so. And go like that. It's completely your choice how you want to do it. But yeah, once you're happy with it, obviously you can tag and you can save. But yeah, I hope that makes it easier on how to do multiple edits or multiple textures on top of an edit or multiple things on top and multiple PSDs. So I hope that makes sense. And if you do have any questions, then do let me know. I'm always here, or as much as I can be lately with health and other things going on. But any questions, do let me know. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.